Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today, we'll be looking at how to fix Instagram story stuck on upload. There are several ways to do it, and I will share you all the ones I know and have worked for me. Pay attention. The first one is to check if your Wi-Fi connection is working correctly. Uploading videos to Instagram requires a good internet connection. First, you have to go to Settings, Wi-Fi Networks, and check the status. The second option is to force close the application. Go to Instagram and completely close the application. Then, reopen it to see if the problem is resolved. The third option is to delete the story and re-upload it. Remember to save the story before deleting it. Next option is to go to the App Store and see if the application needs an update. If it does, download the update. The fifth option is to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it. The last option is to borrow a friend's phone, log in with your account, and try to post the story from there.